Hello everybody. I was asked to make a video in relation to the dish that I was going to do at the Best Chefs this year, 2020. Everything, the reason I'm doing here is starting here because everything starts here. I hand built this 250 gallon smoker, reverse smoker, in order to smoke all my meats and everything else in-house. I don't buy anything off unless if it's here. You know. And I do use real real wood to smoke my stuff. And now I'm going to go inside to show you the dish. Okay, so the dish that I was going to make it for the Best Chefs actually is it's sort of like a liquid, it's a soup, like liquid soup that what we do is, in Brazil, it's a very traditional in Brazil, and like the bars and all that. Like we used to go out and drink all night, and we used to really drink this over here because it's very strong and keep you from having a hangover in the next day, because the potency of it. And then basically it's based off a dish that we have in Brazil that's called black bean stew. That it was built by the Portuguese brought to Brazil, and then what they would do is they'll give just the pieces of pork that they wouldn't want to eat, and then that's how they, and then the slaves in Brazil learned how to make this dish, which is the original name is feijoada, which is what we have here. I have my own sausage that I make in-house, which is I smoke on a smoker outside. I got dry cured beef, which they used to be like in the 1800s. That's how you save your meats and all, smoking or salting. And I also have bacon, pork belly that I smoke at the smoker. I have pork shoulder that I also have it over there. And I have ribs, pork ribs, and I also have over there. On the original dish, we also, which is not in here, we put it also fiejao, feet and ears that we use on the original dish. But for this drink, I don't, because the bones and all that stuff. Alright, so what we do is, first thing, I'll put all the meat into the blender. Then I will put the black beans too. The black beans, what I do is I usually let it sit for overnight in the water, so you don't have gas and all the stuff. And it's easy to cook. And we add that to it. And then, now this is called sauté collard greens. It's chopped real fine, and we add that to it also. It's already been sauteed. And then blend it together. Probably going to add a little water. Have to add a little water. Actually add a little water to it. Make a little bit. More water to it. I usually like to use filtered water in all my cooking, just precaution. Over here at the restaurant we have a huge filter that filters the water coming from the street, and then usually that's what I use for the cooking and stuff. do after that, what we're going to do is we're going to put in a cup and serve the guests, which is going to come out, you know, tasty, alike, and on top of it, we garnish with green onion, fresh green onions that I grow in the back, like so. And this here, we're going to serve it a couple of different ways. One of the ways that we're going to serve it's with the toast, which you can put it on like so, and for the guests so they can eat that way. Which is pretty good because you can taste the smoky flavor of the wood, and all the combined flavors from the drink itself. And also, another thing that we're going to do in the plate is a piece of orange, like that slice of orange, after the person eats, so they can eat that, so to kind of clear their taste buds on their mouth, And basically, that's the dish. It's simple, but it's very sustainable. Simple to make, and we can feed a lot of people with that, and it's a great flavor dish, on my opinion. And that's what one of the dishes I was going to present on Best Chefs 2020. Thank you very much for all. And I'm not going to put you here the amounts that you need to beans and everything else, because it all matters how much you're going to make at the time, so it really don't matter. You need to put this right now. That's it. Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys watching. Bye-bye.